What if I told you that saving just $1 in week 1 and adding $1 every week gets you to $1,378 by the end of the year? I tried it. Here is exactly what happened. This is the simplest savings challenge I have ever done. And it starts ridiculously small. Let me show you how it works. Then I will share what really happens halfway through. The rules are simple. Week 1, save $1. Week 2, $2. Keep adding $1 every week until week 52. The amounts start so small you barely feel them. By the halfway point, you have already got $351 stacked. Finish the year, and the total lands at $1,378. Save $1 in week 1, add $1 every week, end the year with $1,378. Use a simple tracker so you can see progress building in real time. If your bank lets you schedule weekly transfers, set it once and forget it. Keep it visible. A sticky note, a widget, or a printout on your fridge works wonders. Now let me be honest about what it feels like as the weeks roll on. I split my year into 2 parts because they feel completely different. The first half is genuinely easy. The amounts are tiny. By week 10, I had $55 saved without changing my lifestyle. Week 20 hit $210. Still easy, still fun. Honestly, it almost felt too easy, which is the point. But around week 27, real life shows up. You are saving $30 to $40 a week, and suddenly, it is not invisible anymore. This is exactly where most people tap out. 2 things saved me. First, I automated the transfer every Monday. Out of sight, out of mind. It left my checking before I could spend it. Second, consider flipping it. Start at 52 when your motivation is highest and glide down to 1. It is the same $1,378, just easier on your brain. After that tweak, the stress dropped and the momentum came back. Every Monday, it just happened. No willpower required. Then came the final stretch. Week 44, $990 saved. Week 48, $1,176. Week 52, $1,378 from $1 a week. Not life-changing money by itself, but life-changing momentum. Pros: it builds the habit, anyone can start, and you end with $1,378 with minimal effort. Cons: it gets tough mid-challenge, and it needs discipline if you do not automate. My verdict: it works. Automate it. Consider doing it in reverse for an easier ride. Name the account, set Monday transfers, and put the tracker where you see it. Future you will thank you when a small emergency or a small goal shows up, and once you have the habit, everything else gets easier. Download the free 52-week tracker in the description. It is already set up for you. Subscribe to the Wealth Hack Library for more real-world money experiments every week. Small hacks, big wealth. See you next week.